First of all, let's clear up the myth that blackheads are caused by a dirty face. This has been believed by many people for years, causing much embarrassment for people who get blackheads a lot. They happen to people who have bigger pores and overzealous sebum glands. Sweat and dirt do get in the pores more easily because they are open, and this, along with too much sebum, causes blackheads to form. Thankfully, there are a few remedies you can make at home to get rid of blackheads. 1. Fight oil with oil. Please note, this remedy works better on people who have dry skin. If you have oily skin, coconut oil may still work, but it can also cause breakouts. Coconut oil is naturally antibacterial and is actually very effective at cleaning dry faces. It may sound counterproductive to apply oil when excess oil caused the problem in the first place, but using good oil to counter the bad oil actually helps the problem. Boil water and pour into a bowl. Wash your hands and massage organic, cold-pressed coconut oil into your skin in a circular motion. Steam your pores for 5 minutes by putting your face over the hot water with a towel over your head to trap the steam. Be careful not to burn yourself. Give your skin another quick massage and wipe any excess oil off with a clean towel. Splash some cold water on your skin to seal the deal and close the pores. 2. Get rid of blackheads with baking soda. Baking soda is a very versatile ingredient. Not only does it clean the air in your fridge, it can also clean your hair, skin and pores. It is also probably the cheapest and easiest way to eliminate blackheads. Although baking soda is effective, you should not apply this treatment more than a couple of times per week because too much of it won't be good for your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough filtered or mineral water to make a paste. Gently massage a generous portion onto your blackheads and let it sit a few minutes. Rinse off with warm water. 3. Surprisingly, cinnamon. Cinnamon is another common household ingredient that is fast becoming a beauty and health trend, and for good reason. Cinnamon has so many great benefits for the inside and outside of the body, and blackhead removal is one of them. Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon with lemon juice to form a paste. Apply the paste onto the blackheads and leave for minutes. Rinse it off and repeat daily until the blackheads are gone. 4. Egg whites can get rid of blackheads. Egg whites contain nutrients that are great for your skin, and applied as a face mask, they can also tighten your pores temporarily and remove blackheads. This treatment will take up a little more time than most, but the nutrients the egg whites will give your skin are worth the time. Separate 1 to 2 eggs and whip egg whites until mixed together. Rinse your face with clean water and dry. Apply 1 layer egg whites to affected area or entire face and wait until dry. Apply another layer and wait until dry. Do this up to 5 times, but make sure each layer is dry before applying the next. Wash the egg off and apply moisturizer. Repeat as needed. 5. Essential oils will do the trick. There are a few oils that help get rid of blackheads, but tea tree and lavender essential oils are the top 2 on the list. Both are safe to apply directly to the affected area in small amounts, but if you have sensitive skin, you can dilute the oil. Apply 1 drop of pure, organic tea tree or lavender essential oil to the affected area, or add 1 to 4 drops to a teaspoon of a carrier oil such as coconut, almond or olive oil. Gently massage onto skin. Repeat as necessary. Add peppermint essential oil to your face wash to help tighten pores. 6. Apple cider vinegar, the jack of all trades. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it is lovingly known by its many patrons, can be used for many ailments, both inside and outside the body. Removing blackheads in on that extensive list, and paired with mint, this combination is an effective treatment. Start with organic, pure ACV. Bragg's is a popular brand. Pour 1 cup of water into a bottle and add 3 tablespoons of ACV and 3 tablespoons of crushed mint leaves micro. Put the cover on the bottle and let this mixture sit in a cool, dark area for 1 week. Then strain the mixture into another container, add another cup of water and place in the fridge for 5 to 6 days. With cotton balls, apply to a clean face every evening. You can leave it on without rinsing for a few hours or even overnight. 7. Lemon is effective in eliminating blackheads. Lemon will clean out your pores, help to tighten them temporarily, and restore and balance the pH levels of your skin. Lemons are small but very powerful, and your skin will thank you for using them. Use lemon alone or add a drop of honey if you prefer. Cut lemon into thick slices. If adding honey, put a drop on one lemon slice. Gently rub the lemon on the affected area or your entire face if you prefer. After 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. Repeat a couple times a week as needed. 8. Green tea can get rid of blackheads. We have all heard the many benefits of drinking green tea, but did you know it was good for your skin as well? Using green tea leaves, you can clean your pores, tone your skin and wash your face all at the same time. Gently crush 1 teaspoon of dry green tea leaves and add enough water to create a paste. Massage paste over the blackheads for 5 minutes. Wash off with warm water for added benefits. Use brewed green tea as a facial toner by applying with cotton balls. 9. Raw honey +1 will remove blackheads. There are too many vitamins and minerals in raw honey to list, and because of this, organic raw honey makes a great medicine for many ailments, including blackheads. Start with 1 tablespoon of organic, raw honey and add lemon juice or ACV. Lemon appears to be the addition of choice for most, but ACV will work as well. Mix into a paste. Massage onto the affected area and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and moisturize. Repeat no more than twice per week as needed. 10. Raw honey mixed with coconut oil. Raw honey coconut oil. If you aren't sure it will be safe for you to apply coconut oil to your face, try a spot test first, and if it doesn't explode with pimples, you should be fine to try this blackhead treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon of organic, raw honey with organic, cold-pressed coconut oil until it looks like cloudy honey. Apply mixture on blackheads or entire face and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and it is safe to repeat daily if needed. 11. Make a paste with flour and honey. You can use regular honey for this treatment, because it would be challenging to mix raw honey with a dry substance like flour. This mixture is safe to use for your face and is effective at removing blackheads. Mix 1 tablespoon of flour with honey until a paste is able to be formed. Apply to affected area and let it sit for 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water and repeat as needed. 12. Everyone owns toothpaste and salt. This combination is not something you would normally think to put together, but it does effectively remove blackheads. This is a simple treatment that everyone has in their home at all times, and it is easy to make. You should see immediate results. Mix 1 teaspoon of table salt with toothpaste until it can be applied to your face. Do not use sea salt. Wash your face as you would normally and don't wait for your skin to dry. Rub it into the affected area for 1 minute. Rinse off with warm water and take a look at the results. Do not repeat this treatment regularly, as toothpaste is not the best thing